In the sun-drenched hills of southern Spain, a remarkable discovery has uncorked a taste of the ancient world. Archaeologists have stumbled upon what is believed to be the oldest wine ever found in liquid form, hidden for 2 millennia in a Roman tomb. This extraordinary find not only pushes back the boundaries of known wine preservation, but also offers a rare window into the burial practices and tastes of our ancient ancestors. Wine has been an integral part of human civilization for thousands of years. The earliest evidence of wine production dates back to around 6000 BC in the Caucasus region, specifically in what is now Georgia. From there, the art of winemaking spread across the ancient world, reaching the Mediterranean by 4000 BC. The Romans, who conquered the Iberian Peninsula in the 2nd century BC, were particularly fond of wine. They not only consumed it in great quantities, but also developed sophisticated viticulture techniques and trading networks. Roman wines varied greatly in quality and style, from everyday table wines to prized vintages that were aged for years. In Roman society, wine played a significant role in both life and death. It was often included in funeral rites and buried with the deceased, believed to provide sustenance in the afterlife. Fast forward to 2019, in the Andalusian town of Carmona, a family renovating their home accidentally uncovered a sunken Roman tomb on their property. This discovery would soon prove to be of immense archaeological importance. The tomb, untouched for 2 millennia, contained 8 burial niches. 6 of these held urns made from various materials including limestone, sandstone, glass and lead. Each urn contained the cremated remains of a single individual, with 2 bearing inscriptions of the names Hispanae and Senecio. But the most astonishing find was yet to come. One of the urns, when opened, revealed a glass flask containing about 5 liters of a reddish-brown liquid. Initial speculation ran wild, but careful analysis would soon confirm an extraordinary truth. A team of experts from the University of Cordoba, led by organic chemist José Rafael Ruiz Arebola, embarked on a meticulous examination of the liquid. They employed advanced techniques to search for biomarkers, chemical compounds that could definitively identify the substance. Their findings were remarkable. The liquid contained 7 wine polyphenols, chemical elements very similar to those found in modern wines. Moreover, these polyphenols matched those from wines produced in the same region of Andalusia today, confirming not only that the liquid was wine, but also its local origin. Further analysis revealed the absence of syringic acid, a compound formed when red wine pigments decompose. This crucial detail, along with depictions of white grape treading in local Roman mosaics, led to the conclusion that the wine was originally white. This discovery supersedes the previous record holder for oldest liquid wine, the Speyer wine bottle, found in a Roman tomb near Speyer, Germany in 1867 and dated to about 325 AD. The Carmona wine predates this by nearly 3 centuries, offering an unprecedented opportunity to study Roman-era winemaking techniques and preferences. The presence of this well-preserved wine in a funeral context also sheds light on Roman burial practices and beliefs about the afterlife. The inclusion of such a valuable commodity suggests the high status of the deceased and the importance placed on providing comfort in the next world. Moreover, the wine's preservation over 2 millennia is evidence to the Romans' advanced understanding of sealing and storage techniques. The fact that the liquid remained intact, despite chemical changes over time, speaks volumes about their technological capabilities. The urn containing the wine also yielded other fascinating artifacts. Among the cremated bones was a gold ring decorated with a 2-headed Janus, the Roman god of beginnings, transitions, and endings. This valuable item was likely placed in the urn after cremation, further emphasizing the ritual importance of the burial. The presence of what appear to be metal bed feet in the urn provides insight into the cremation process itself, suggesting that the body was burned on a decorative funeral bed before the remains were collected. In another urn from the same tomb, researchers found a crystal bottle containing a 2,000-year-old patchouli-scented Roman perfume, adding to our understanding of Roman fragrances and cosmetics. The inclusion of wine, along with the deceased's remains and valuable goods like the gold ring, suggests a belief in the need for sustenance and luxury in the next world. The presence of wine in this burial context aligns with well-documented Roman funeral rituals. Wine played a significant role in Roman religious and funerary practices, often used in libations, ritual pouring of liquid offerings to deities or the deceased. In this case, the urn was likely filled with wine as part of a libation ritual during the burial ceremony, intended to aid the deceased in their transition to the afterlife. This practice reflects the deep-rooted beliefs of the Romans regarding death and the afterlife. They believed that providing offerings and performing specific rituals could ensure a smooth passage for the deceased into the underworld and a comfortable existence in the afterlife. The discovery also sheds light on the winemaking traditions of Roman Hispania. The Iberian Peninsula was known for its wine production during the Roman era, with several regions gaining fame for their distinctive wines. The analysis of this ancient wine suggests that the winemaking traditions in this area have remained relatively consistent over 2 millennia, with modern Andalusian wines bearing similarities to their ancient counterparts. Roman influence on Spanish viticulture was profound and long-lasting. They introduced new grape varieties, improved cultivation techniques, and established many of the wine-growing regions that are still famous today. The Romans also standardized the use of wooden barrels for wine storage and transportation, a practice that revolutionized the wine trade and is still fundamental to modern winemaking. The world's oldest wine, discovered in Carmona, Spain, is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a testament to the enduring human fascination with wine, a window into ancient Roman society, and a bridge connecting us to our ancestors through a shared appreciation for the fruit of the vine. As we raise our glasses today, we can imagine the hands that crafted this wine 2 millennia ago, the rituals it was part of, and the journey it has made through time. In doing so, we celebrate not just a remarkable archaeological find, but the rich tapestry of human culture and our endless capacity for discovery and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through time and wine. The discovery of the world's oldest wine in Carmona is just one example of how archaeology continues to unveil the secrets of our past, connecting us to ancient civilizations in surprising and tangible ways. If you enjoyed this exploration of history, viticulture, and ancient Roman society, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories from the world of archaeology and historical discoveries. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next episode.